Many people say that 5-axis machining is very expensive. So where is it expensive? Let's take a look. 5-axis CNC fixtures are a type of machining method with high variety and technological content and precision, which is especially used for machining complex circuits.
It is the only means to solve the complex processing of high precision impeller, blade, merit propeller, having duty, generator rotor, steam turbine rotor, large diesel engine clutch shift, and so on.
Compared to ordinary machining, the price of 5-axis machining center varies from hundreds of thousands to $1,000, which is one of the reasons why it is expensive to process.
The price calculation of 5-axis CNC machining mainly include labor, materials, technology, and quantity. Because of the complexity of the machining process, 5-axis CNC engineers are more expensive than ordinary engineers, usually $30 per hour in China. In the United States, the price will be higher. As for materials, different materials have different pieces. If a piece of raw materials costs $15 and 10 parts can be produced, then the materials cost of each one is $10.
If it is processed for 1 hour, the process and machine use cost is $15. There are additional costs such as tools, fixture, and starter terminals, which can add up $10.
For this small part, for example, the material may be 2.5 kg. The cost incurred is $15. The labor cost is $15, and the process and equipment use cost is $15. The cost of customizing this small part is $45.
The specific value and actual preview. If you need a code, can contact us directly. We welcome you at any time.